Hi, this is Dr. Susan Rigg from OutsmartYourCompetition.com. And in this video, I wanted to just demonstrate how I do a website audit. And there are a lot of reasons to do a website audit. I do SEO work for clients, so I do like to scan sites and get a feel for how many pages there are on a site and what the title tags look like, meta descriptions, and kind of get a feel for what all the pages look like. But this morning I was doing something a little different. I'm actually planning to do some affiliate work for a product made by Link Assistant. It's SEO Power Suite. And what I'm doing is creating a spreadsheet of all of their pages so that when I go about marketing the different products, I have a good kind of organized spreadsheet of all of their different products and their materials and articles and resources. So I just want to show you how to do a site audit. And what our starting point is a piece of free software that's called Screaming Frog SEO Spider. You can download this from the internet, so if you Google Screaming Frog SEO Spider, and the download is free, and it can be you can get a version for Mac or for your PC. So you download that. The little icon looks like this here, and then at the top you enter the URL to Spider. So the website that I'm working on right now is called Link Assistant.com, and then you click on Start. So what this does is the software will scan the site, and we're eventually going to print this out on an Excel spreadsheet. Up here you can see the bar that's showing the completion. So now it's 100% completed. And here are all of the components of the spreadsheet. So we have internal, external. I'm not going to go through what each of these are. That's not the point of this video. Page titles, this is really important for SEO clients. We're looking at their page titles, meta descriptions, meta keywords, H1 headers, H2 headers, and so on. In order to create a spreadsheet, I'm going to go back here and click on Internal. And on Filter, I want to go to this drop down and click on HTML because I just want the HTML pages. I'm not interested in images and PDFs and everything else that's here. So I've got HTML, there's 113. You see the filter total down in the lower right hand corner says 113 pages, and I'm going to export. This is going to export. You have some choices, and I have obviously already chosen to export to an Excel workbook to my desktop. And I'm going to rename this as SEO Power Suite and click Save. So this will write the report and save it to the desktop. Now, I've already done that. I've been working on that, and so I'm going to open up the spreadsheet that I'm already working on. Actually, I take that back because I'm going to show you what the spreadsheet looks like coming right out of the box. Okay, so this is opening. This is what the spreadsheet looks like coming right out of Screaming Frog SEO Spider. And so it's a mess. So I go up in the upper left hand corner and I like to outline all of my borders. It makes it a little bit easier to read. And if I start doing some configuring, the other thing I can do is go here to wrap text, do a drop down, and then the text is wrapped and it's easier to read everything. So this first column, I have a list of all of my pages, and then I'm going to start deleting columns. So column B I do not need. Actually, for my purposes, I'm going to delete status code, I'll probably keep the title tag. And when I'm doing a site audit, I want to keep the title tag and the title tag length. The pixel width I don't need. Meta description pixel length I will delete. And here we have for every single page the meta keywords. Now, interestingly, websites really don't need to be putting their meta keywords in the back end like this. Google does not use this anymore for ranking purposes. In truth, you really only should be targeting one keyword per page, and to put multiple keywords in like this on a single page is really not good practice. So that's the spreadsheet. Now I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet I was working on just to show you and I'm going to go back to Link Assistant to show you the spreadsheet I'm creating because I'm going to be doing some affiliate marketing as an affiliate for this product because I love it. I love SEO Power Suite. I love everything about it. It has a number of modules, and if you follow me on YouTube and on my website, you'll be able to learn all about the amazing things that this website has to offer. So my spreadsheet here, what I've done is I've added a new column here, column A. I added that so that I could sort the data, and then column B I added, which I've titled my comments, and then you see column C here is the URLs, which came from SEO Spider. And then here's our title tags, meta descriptions, and the meta keywords. Now, the reason I've added column A is because I wanted to sort this data. What I have here is a list of every single page on this website. This is a huge website, and as I'm doing marketing as an affiliate for these various products, there's a number of different products. I just wanted to have the information organized and kind of be able to have a reference at my fingertips that I could go to find whatever information I wanted as I'm marketing these products. So the first thing I did was go down the left-hand side, and for each page I just would enter one word, and then that word eventually was going to be used to sort the data. So the pages that were for the website auditor, I just put the word auditor. The white ones here are miscellaneous things, and I've already color coded this. So these buzz bundle, I just put in the word buzz. These are miscellaneous, so they're white. These are for the link assistant component of the software, so I put the word link. And then these orange ones are for the rank tracker, so I put the word rank. And then finally, SEO Spyglass, I just put the word spy. And when this did not come out in this order, but when I finished doing that, then I went up to the data and did a sort, and I did a custom sort, and I basically just sorted by column A and put it in order in alphabetical. And that made a very, very nice organized spreadsheet for me, which I then went in and highlighted and color coded to just help me keep this organized. So I hope that explains that. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting the information in my comments, because this is really going to help me as I'm looking for information or different pages. To be honest, the site is very large and complex, and the navigation to me is just confusing, so I just wanted to be able to find whatever page I needed on my spreadsheet. So I've already started this process. You can see what I'm doing is just going to each page, and I'm copying and pasting from the page and putting it into the My Comments column. So I'm all the way down here. Where am I here? Okay, so this is where I left off, so I'm going to cut and paste this link, and go to our SEO Power Suite site, and I'm going to paste that in and take a look at what that page looks like. So this is a great page. I'm not sure how to get this from the home navigation, but I'm really glad I have this because we have a lot of options here. Knowledge base, frequently asked questions, here we go, online user manuals, this is fantastic, and the video tutorials. So I'm just going to, this is a very important page actually, so I'm going to, in my spreadsheet, write, I'm going to really kind of make this one stand out. Customer support. Okay, and then the next one is here. So I'm going to highlight that and put that in the browser bar. And what does that page look like? Ooh, I don't have permission to carry out this action. Okay. So you kind of get the idea. I'll just do a couple more. Let's do this one here, which is SEO Power Suite tips. That might be a very helpful page. This is fantastic. Little known features you may be missing on SEO Power Suite. This is exactly what I'm looking for because, as I said, this is a very large site and there are a number of modules: Rank Tracker, Website Auditor, SEO Spyglass, Link Assistant, and then there's Buzz Bundle as well. And to be able to get exactly to the information that we're looking for is exactly what I'm looking for. So that's it for a little bit about site auditing. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please come to my website at www.outsmartyourcompetition.com.